Last two potato bag harvest time. I'm wearing the gloves today because we just had a day and a half of solid rain. So this is going to be a little bit on the muddy side. Let's get to it. This was a 20-gallon smart pot, actually 74 liters, so it's a bit more than 20 gallon, 20 gallon. And I planted 5 seed potatoes of Yukon Gem, which is a hybrid of Yukon Gold. Okay, here we go. Nice looking potatoes so far. A lot of small ones, but those were really good last year. Okay, it appears that's it. There we go. There's what I got. Got some pretty good ones. Quite a few. I'll count them later, but I'm happy with that. The small ones last year were the best. We really enjoyed them. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and get ready to do the next bucket, or the last bucket. This is another 20-gallon pot, and this one had 6 seed potatoes, also of Yukon Gem. Ooh, I'm liking that. Look at that. Wow. Woohoo! There's a double. There's a snowman. It's not a heart, I know, so it's not that good. these little teeny ones. Okay, I think that's it for that one. And there's the results of this one. I'd have to say, for having one more potato plant, it's about the same yield as the other pot. But I have some really nice ones in here. Look at the size of that one. Whew. I am impressed with that. And overall, I think there's not quite as many small ones. There are small ones like that, but there's not nearly as many of them. Okay, let me clean that up and I'll give you one last shot of the whole ball of wax here. Okay, there's my haul from both buckets. In this pile I have what I would call the nice ones, the larger ones. In this pile, okay ones, kind of small but still okay. And then over there are the little guys. And of course, don't forget my snowman. Okay, very good. I'm pleased with that. Always can be better, but I'm pleased. Thanks for watching. See you next time.